Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening, not those, these fidgets. Opening them. I've already opened these because I couldn't wait for them. So I have this puppet and then that puppet. I got a lot of fidgets for my birthday. So, yeah. So I'm excited because I got a swirl needle and I got also a shaggy needle. So I'm excited for those. So I'm gonna open these first. There, okay, I got it. Ooh, we look like a planet. Oh, that's really good. Looks like a really pretty planet. Okay, and then now we're going to open the shaggy needle. Oh, yes. Oh, the shaggy needle. Hey guys. Okay, so here's my two needles. I love them. I love them. I love them. Okay. So we got these two needles. I think now we should open this thing. But yeah. Oh, it turns into like a little cube. And then that's really cool. Let's open it up right here. Oh, you can never like get it mixed up. It's like not one of those Rubik's cubes. See, because you can't turn it. That's very cool. I was scared I was gonna like mess it up because I always mess Rubik's cubes up, but no, because it. Okay, that's really cool. I love that. Make it a square. Okay. Let's open this Shishiba. No, that's not. That's the $23 ones. This Karma Gama Calming Sensory Fidget Toy. So, fun. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's really cool. It's really cool. Roar, roar. Okay, that is really cool. By the way, my birthday's today, so yeah. Now we're gonna open a dimple. So, let's just say that I love dimple fidget spinners. No, this one's like greasy. Whatever. It's still spins good and it's kind of big for my fingers, but I love it. It's really loud. Listen. Okay, the last thing we have is the popper pinwheel. Hee hee. I got I kind of got a fidget spinner that it's too big for my fingers, but I mean, or I got this like for my birthday. But I mean, I bought this with my money, like for my birthday. Mom took me to Posey and Jets, and I got this at Posey and Jets, and I got this at Posey and Jets, and then yeah, that's all. But yeah, and then the rest I got for presents. And then this is too big, I can't spin it. I mean, I can spin it for you guys, so you guys can see the spin. I mean, I can. Okay, because I'm like holding the phone in one hand and holding the puppet. Very, very loud. So, hope you guys liked it. And if you did, smash the like button. I think it's like right there. No, it's down here. If it's a dislike button, I don't know. But I hope you liked it. And subscribe, please, because I need more subscribers. Okay, bye.